Hi guys, another BMW E30 stupid question. So this is the engine wiring harness that plugs into the engine control unit, and then I have these two separate connectors branching off the main wiring loom. So I have no idea what they are for and where they go. Tried to search on internet, yeah, basically couldn't find any information about these ones. Would be really helpful if someone could explain me what are those and what they are for, and yeah, and what should I do with them. But yeah, and yeah, just write down the comment underneath this video and hopefully I can get some clarification about what is that. Okay, thank you guys, cheers.